Hi folks, welcome back to Brawn Bites. This is another app review. Today we're looking at Sworkit, a fairly new workout app that's out in the past couple of years here. So I'm going to take you through my thoughts on it, its possible uses in the classroom, Wellness 10 and Health 9, as well as some pros and cons, and look at the safety features built into the app, as well as some of my overall impressions. So let's start out looking at the app. First of all, a bit of history. This was something that showed up on the show called Shark Tank back in 2015, and Mark Cuban invested some money in developing this app a bit further. It's available on a whole bunch of platforms, as you can see here: iPhone, Apple TV, Android. You can also use it online if you'd like. It's got lots of users already signed up. And it's basically just a very simple workout app that sort of tailors things to you. One of the nice things about it is that you can pick the amount of time that you'd like to work out for, and then you can basically choose between strength, cardio, stretching, and yoga, and it will give you a predetermined workout based on 30-second exercises with a guide that's built in. So there'll be online I guess trainers that are by video showing you how to do the exercises. So that makes it really nice and simple. It really caters to people who maybe don't have the time to work out at a gym, or don't have the equipment at home, or whatever it is. It makes it nice and simple because you can either do weights or cardio, or you can do just simple body weight exercises as well. So it's kind of a nice thing that way. Going through some of the features, as I mentioned, you can pick between the free version and the paid version. In the free version, you get strength, cardio, yoga, and stretching, and then it'll customize your workout depending on how much time you'd like to spend. So you can put in between 5 and 60 minutes, and it will create something for you. It's got beginner to advanced as well, so you can adjust the difficulty of the exercises. And the nice thing about it is that you can put in the customized time that you would prefer to work out for. Going through some of the other features, it does have some advanced things when you get into the paid version, which is $2.99 a month. You get access to a 24/7 trainer, as well as some more advanced exercises and more choices as far as creating your workouts. But from my point of view, I think the free version, you get lots of features for what you're signing up for. As with a lot of apps online right now, any of the terms of use have to do with the 13-year-old age limit to download it. So I've used it in the classroom in the past year or so, projecting onto the wall and having the class do workouts as a group, or sometimes I also have them maybe using their phones sign in and pick a workout that they'd like to work on for that day. The nice thing with that is that the kids can skip exercises or pick exercises that they would like to focus on certain areas. So for example, if they like to work on cardio, or if due to an injury, if they can't do anything with their shoulder, they can separate out the shoulder workouts so that they're working on just legs or back or whatever it might be. It seems like for the terms of use, they have a lot as far as safeguards to make sure that people are respectful and safe on the online space. You can post after completing a workout, but really there's not a whole lot of social networking feature built into the app itself. It does let you share your workouts via third-party apps, but might just be a conversation to have with kids about being respectful and making sure that what they're posting is appropriate, obviously, and that they're not oversharing personal information. But the app itself does not collect much personal information other than a username and an email, I believe, when you sign in. So yeah, there's looking at user data, especially for workout apps, has been something of a bigger issue as of late, with the Strava heat map recently creating some controversy. But Sworkit, in their safety or in their privacy settings, have really done a good job of making sure that privacy is number one, and data is not going to be shared with online or with third parties. Looking at some of the pros and cons, One of the things I really liked about this is that it does comply with the Canadian Physical Activity Guidelines for youth ages 12 to 18. So I know that the kids are going to get a good workout, and they're going to get proper technique and form shown on the app by the trainers, the video trainers that are there. It's also a really simple interface to use, and so it allows for a lot of different choices as far as exercise. As you can see here, there's even you can specify if you want to do something specific to running, for ab workouts, for advanced full body, certain parts of the body. You can explore those just by clicking here. It's got lots of options for students as well, which is kind of nice. So you can have different, guided workouts. 100 plus workouts they have on here. And the only thing I would say is just, again, to just be careful about possibly posting personal information or photos related to during your workout. But the app itself, I found it very, very helpful as far as creating good opportunities for physical activity with My Wellness 10 Kids. And it's an app that gets the kids excited, and it's something different than what I sometimes give them. So I think that makes them excited to be able to use it. So I'd give this app a 4 out of 5, and definitely recommend it for use by coaches and teachers, and even for younger kids. There is a kids Sworkit version, which I'll just pull up for younger kids. So I would say the first one there, the main Sworkit app, would be used in high school for the most part, but there is a Sworkit Kids that's just new as well, and it's on the App Store or Google Play. So you can check that out as well. It's got some things that are a bit more geared towards younger kids with flexibility, balance, and just making sure that kids aren't doing sort of the heavy lifting ones, but that they're doing lots of kinesthetic stuff that is based on agility and keeping active. So that's my review of Sworkit Kids. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll talk to you next time.